Arena by Zaloni is a unified DataOps platform that helps users facilitate three primary functions: cataloging, controlling, and consuming their data. In today's quick demo, we're going to see how Arena helps users consume their data by providing self-service access. I'm logged in as a data analyst named Annie, and I've been tasked with doing some research on my organization's customers and contract data. The first thing I need to do is find the relevant datasets. As shown in our catalog video, Arena provides a comprehensive catalog of all my data. I can search the catalog regardless of where the underlying data is being physically stored, and in this example, we'll see that our contracts and customer data are stored in two separate locations. Let's first actually look for some customer information, and as we search, you'll see we have several results that return. I can now filter this information based on my knowledge of the dataset that I need. As type, we'll select entity. We know our source schema is customer info. And because I'm an end user, I likely want to use the best information or data that is in our trusted zone. I'll go and open this data set up. And here we can use the surplus of information to better understand this data set. Once I've reviewed the entity and have decided if the data suits my needs, I can add the data to my shopping cart. I can do so by selecting the Action menu and then choosing Add to Shopping Cart. In this example, I'm going to go ahead and take all of the data, but I do have the option to filter that down as well. We can see our shopping cart has been updated, and we can now look for our second data set. We'll search for contracts. And you can see this entity again is actually being stored in our Snowflake ODS. I'll go and add this to my cart. As you might expect, we see the Snowflake connection information, and selecting OK, we can see that that has also been added to our cart. Now that I've gathered all the data I need, I'll go ahead and click on my shopping cart to begin the provisioning or checkout process. My specific organization has added several options to my provisioning process, but it's worth noting that this process is highly configurable and you may not have the same options available. Clicking Provision, we're taken to the first page where we provide some details about why we might need this information. We'll first name that, maybe give a description. Then you can see we have several of those optional drop-downs. My organization is collecting details about why we're using the data. They also allow us to spin up some analytic environments. So in this case, we'll choose to use some of these optional analytic environments, and we'll have that EC2 instance will spin up come preloaded with SAS. Next, we can select a data lease duration. Because we only need this data for a limited amount of time, I'll select 30 days, and at the end of the 30 days, the data will automatically be removed. Finally, we'll select an approver. In this example, Scott is the data owner, so he'll have to require explicit approval before the data is landed. Next, we can select our destination of where we'd like to land the data or spin up our sandbox. And let's go ahead and land this in Redshift. Again, you'll see the appropriate connection instance. Clicking Next, we're taken to our final page or the summary. We can see exactly what's being done, where the data is being moved, and as I click Submit, Arena will automatically begin working on this process. You can see in this example that the report is still pending approval as Scott has not yet approved this instance. Alright, that was a quick look at how Arena's consume features allow customers to access their data in a self-service manner. If you'd like to learn more or to schedule a custom demo, visit our website at zaloni.com/demo.